Hey, this will be the third video of the second earnings season in 2025. So just kind of documenting this as it goes so I remember the ups and downs and, can learn from it. So let's take a look where we were last time. We had the United Health shit show and we had Netflix coming up. So I took Netflix long. Let's just look at that. It wasn't exciting. Um, it is, everyone's calling it a defensive play in this environment. It did have good earnings, but the gap that I captured earnings was this day. So I bought it at the close here and sold it at the open here um, for the 0.2. And then we went into, let's just take a look. We ended last time. I think we were right around here, -4 somewhere. I started the week this week with a big drawdown. So I went from +3R to -10. I woke up one day and I think I lost 12 out of 13, which is really a testament of statistics. That's near impossible to do. I mean, they either gap up or they gap down. And to lose 12 out of 13 did not feel great, but I knew it was just the probabilities of that are extremely rare. Thankfully, I was sort of able to adjust a little bit. I mean, the strategy is what it is, but I was able to fine tune it. And luckily, the next day I woke up and I felt great. And I was able to get up to +3R before kind of chopping around. And now I'm at -3R. So, um, a lot of work. I ended the week at -4. Last week, now I'm at -3. I took like 80 trades to make an R. But this earnings season is tough. Let's take a look at um, a couple trades here. But before we do that, you can just kind of see this is every trade I've taken. I think I'm through about 117, 120 trades on the earnings season. This was a nice patch. I don't know. You can see them. They come and go. It's a little interesting that you have these big clusters of wins and sort of losses in what's pretty much a 50-50 game. But let's look at a couple that were bad, and then we'll find a couple that were good. We'll look at maybe some Meg 7. So we looked at Netflix. We'll end up looking at Google, and we'll look at Tesla here. But first, I took this. This sucked. um, this was in a nice downtrend. I took it short right here. It gapped up. This was Equifax, if that's how you pronounce it. So I took that short and it gapped up. That was not fun. This one was equally not fun. Northrop Grumman. It was actually near a multi-year high here, 5-year high, and I was like, well, someone must know something I don't. So I took it long, and it gapped down. So that was another loser. And this one was also, who knows what this company is? It's a financial payment system company. I took this long. Because it was kind of bullying the declining 20 and even gapped up. I didn't love that it gapped up. I would have liked a little better pattern, but nevertheless, I took it long and it gapped down. So that was a few losers. My biggest winner was Amphenol. I took it long right here, and I always pretty much always get out right at the open. I don't like holding things at all. So I entered at the close there and exited. That was a nice winner. We already looked at Netflix. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla's earnings were right here. I took it long. I entered at the close, sold at the open. It was a nice little winner, nothing big. GOOG was closed out the week. This is really encouraging that, so far Netflix gapped up, Tesla gapped up, Google gapped up. The big tech names are bottoming and they're beating their earnings. So I think the bottom it's I mean, nothing's definite, but as far as you can tell, it's definitely in for now. Um, we'll see. So Google actually had a decent quarter. Um, so that's where we're at. It was a pretty unproductive week. Um, this line right here is the expectancy. Basically, I take the results of 25 trades and I just divide by 25, and that's your expectancy. And you can see it was a big swing down, a big swing up, and a kind of a swing down, and now we're like exactly at break even over the 25 trades. So I don't know. We'll see. Next week I have about. We can look here. I'm taking all these trades. What? How many is it? I don't know. Looks like 141 on the books right now. It's the busiest week of earnings season. It's this week right here. You can see these are earnings per day by sector. Um, so I got a busy week, and then another busy week, and then it really slows down, and it's vacation time. I mean, not really, but this is, I don't know, 15 minutes of work a day to execute. This is a couple hours probably. Um, but anyway, that's where we're at. We're just chopping around, and I'm hoping one of these videos I'll be able to say, "Hey, I'm up 20R, and it's looking good." Last earnings season was a little better, but we'll see. It's a tough earnings season, and it's all good experience. So, tune in about a week, and hopefully, I have some good news and not bad.